Oh, it's busy today. Busy, busy, busy. It's a busy one. Oh boy. So I need to get 10. 3 for myself, 3 for my son, 4 for somebody else. What are these sausages called? Are they? What type of it? What are they called? Is there a name for it? Or just
Debrecena.
Debra's. How do you say it?
For barbecue.
Yes, I know.
Debrecena.
Debrecina.
Yes.
Debrecina
Yes.
sausages. Yeah, they're not kielbasa. They're different, right? Yeah. Okay. Debrecina. Debrecina.
This is popular Polish sauce.
Yeah, they're very good. Whoop, sorry. Very good. Oh, sorry. Oh, still need more room? Okay. This is a cool machine.